Hi guys, mag-refrigerator tour tayo guys. Ayan yun dyan sa festival natin. At dyan naman, ano tayong Mountain Dew in Gatorade. And dyan, leftover food, spaghetti sauce, chocolates, and that's spaghetti leftover, bacon, and leftover food again. And so right here got cheese, eggs, some chocolate in there, some of the milk in there. We got the butter and some vitamins. In here in the freezer we have waffle, and waffle. And they got fish there, salmon. We got ice cream there, another waffle, ice cream, and this corn, fries, and we have some steak there and there. So that's it guys.